Right, today I'm going to a wee walk for BlairsKaith Linn, I think that's what we call it. We're just doing this wee track down here, and I'll tell you, show you the wife and the hint by a lot of sticks because she's not good in the dark walking about when this carpet's rolled up, you know. Just a wee path down to the waterfall. Autumn's coming. I'm going slow out of here, just because carpets. Watch your feet. Well, there it is. A nice wee waterfall. In the cave, fisting. Some graffiti to add to it. Everybody likes a bit of graffiti, eh? Well, I'll find a bit set up, see what we can find. Shoot what's there. Video here on the iPhone 16 Pro, not right? So this here I'm going to focus on. I'm going to do a 2-stack. I'll focus here, I'll focus on the waterfall. There's not much water coming through today. So we're at F10, 1/3 of a second, ISO 50, 2-second timer. So we'll see if that works out. If it works out, good enough. But I'm going to move about and see if I can get another shot somewhere. Maybe down below, looking up the way. For this shot, we're doing it in wide angle, focusing on the rock here first, the rock there, leading up into the waterfall. Second shot's right here, middle of the frame. Third shot, obviously, up higher. Try to cut the trees out, I might just add them in, we'll see. I'll get a wee panel, a vertical panel. There we go. So I've moved up here a wee bit closer to the waterfall, so you can get a shot to there. So that part to there. See if it works out. Just deep in the cave there. You didn't fancy getting in there, but see how this works out. So I'm underneath it, the waterfall. It was right back. I don't know what they've done here, like mining or something. It's all cut out. I'm going to wait until these people disappear, take a couple of shots. I'm keeping the rock in here out of the top, just frame it. There's some water running down. We'll see how that turns out. Right, I'm done here. Need echo in here, and you get the band to play in here. Right, so that's the view, and I'm going to come back round to meet the missus at the other side. It's dark in there. Got a wee rave going. I think you'd need to be a certain size to be able to get them in there. Dark and muddy. Back out the front and the other side. No good for your back this. Oh, but hey, we're here. Oh, that's us back to the front. That'll do. So that's just a quick shot here of the waterfall up close. I took a couple in close, if you like. There's a focus point. There we go. I took a couple in close. I'm at f8, 2.5 second. ISO still 50. So I've zoomed in here and there, try to get wee bits. See how it goes. See if it works out. I'm going to try this wee shot now. I'm going to keep the ferns in. There's these foreground up, I don't know, I think it was me windy a minute ago. And so the ferns should turn out okay. Just like a portrait mode basically, like so in the camera. There's not a lot of water here today, but at least we know where this place is. Well, a fourth of a second, f8, 2 stack. We'll see if we can get it. So this is where the waterfall is. Just wait a minute, this should be panoramic. Glasgow's over there. Another day there. It's nice and quiet. A lot of cars right now. People like to walk. There's my wee bumblebee. Wife's cat. So that's me, I'm done. Home time, I think.